Some sequences can go on forever. These are called infinite sequences. Other sequences finish after so many numbers or terms. These are called finite sequence. The number that a finite sequence finishes with is called the limit of a sequence. Now, we can enter formulas into our spreadsheet which will help us to identify if a sequence is infinite or finite. As mentioned previously, our spreadsheet will have the first 100 terms of a sequence. Normally, you can tell if a sequence is finite or infinite within these number of terms. If we look at the 99th and 100th term, if they are equal, this will mean that the sequence is almost definitely finite, and the limit of the sequence is the number in the 99th and 100th term. However, if the two numbers, term 99 and term 100, are different, this means that the sequence is infinite and will certainly go on forever. So, let's move the cursor to cell D3, left click, and type in this formula exactly, including all quotation marks and brackets. So we'll type in equals if, open bracket, B 100 equals B 101, comma, B 101, comma, quotation marks, infinite with a capital I, quotation marks, close brackets. So we typed in the formula equals if B100 equals B101, comma, B101, comma, quotation marks, infinite, quotation marks, close brackets. We then will press enter and we'll see that the number 0 is displayed into cell D3. So the formula we added, what it does is it will check the number in cell B100, the 99th term, and compare that with the number in cell B101, the 100th term. If they are equal, it will display the number in cell D3. If they are not equal, then it will write the word infinite. So as both cells are empty, Excel assumes that this is 0, and hence they're both 0, which is why 0 is displayed. Later on we'll see what happens with an infinite sequence. The only thing left to do is to add a formula to write a sentence. So left click in cell D2 and type in this formula exactly, equals if, brackets, normally shift and 9, D3 equals, quotation marks, infinite with a capital I, quotation marks, comma, quotation marks, comma, quotation marks, limit, space, is, quotation marks, close brackets. So we typed in the formula if, open brackets, D3 equals, quotation marks, infinite with a capital I, quotation marks, comma, quotation marks, comma, quotation marks, limit, space, is, quotation marks, close brackets. Press enter. We now see that the word limit in is displayed. Limit is displayed. So what this formula did was, it looks at cell D3, and if cell D3 has the word infinite written, cell D2 will be blank. But if cell D3 has a number, then cell D2 will display the word limit is. We're going to save our spreadsheet, so file, save, and we're now ready to answer some questions.